Namaste. Today we have a very important special occasion and the prayers and mantras suitable for this particular day. It is the new moon day, or in India we say black moon, Amavasya. And these 15 days were specially dedicated to our ancestors, those who are not with us. And for expressing our gratitude, this day is assigned. The mother gives us birth, the parents, they bring us up. So many, up to at least we go to a higher school, they are with us, they take care of everything. Afterwards, maybe the teachers are also obliging us, and the society at large. We use so many research gadgets, but those scientists and the rishis from the ancient time have designed this and worked upon. They also help us. It is possible that afterwards we develop our individuality, maybe to some extent ego, and then we have difference of opinion to even our parents or maybe the brothers, sisters, neighbors, and all of them. So that doesn't mean that we should have some distance created within our personality, and at least we should be grateful to all of them and express our gratitudes and say namaste and help them also to get satisfied, because after the death the body goes, but their consciousness, their program, that is always there, and they are waiting to see how we remember them, how we express our gratitude by giving some donations, some rituals we perform for their well-being. It is always nice that when somebody is doing something for you, you feel nice. Ordinarily, somebody who brings a flower for you in the hospital, you feel also nice. And we in Life in Balance movement are very careful to develop different modules, adopt them so that we can change, and slowly the perception will go on the path of the truth. Atha Shri Dattastava Stotram Bhuta Preta Pishachadya Yasya Smaranamatrataha Duradeva Palayante Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Yannama Smaranadainyam Papantapascha Nashyati Bhitigraharti Duswapnam Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Dadruspotaka Kushtadi Mahamari Vishochika Nashyantanye Pirogascha Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam Sangajadesha Kalotha Ape Sankramika Dadaha Shamyanti Yat Smaranato Dattatreyan Namamitam Dattatreyan Namamitam सर्पवृश्चिकदष्टानां विषार्तानां शरीरिणां यन्नाम शान्तिदं शीघ्रं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तम् त्रिविधोत्पातशमनं विविधारिष्टनाशनं यन्नाम क्रूरभीतिघ्नं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तम् वैर्यादिकृतमन्त्रादि प्रयोगायस्य कीर्तनात् नश्यन्ति देवबाधाश्च दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तम् यच्छिष्यस्मरणात् सद्यो गतनष्टादि लभ्यते य ईशः सर्वतस्त्राता दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तम् जयलाभयशः काम दातुर्दत्तस्य यस्तवं भोगमोक्षप्रदस्येमं पठेद्दत्तवियो भवेत् दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तं दत्तात्रेयं नमामि तम् इति श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य श्रीमत्सद्गुरु श्री वासुदेवानंद सरस्वती स्वामी महाराज विरचितं श्री दत्तस्तव स्तोत्रं संपूर्णम्।